Okay, so today is October 27. It's Friday. Nothing interesting, just one expiration. The market still looks pretty ugly. The SPX is in the box where it should confirm whether it will go further down or it will reverse. And the problem is that yesterday I thought that Russell would actually go up from here, but it made a lower low, so this makes everything a little bit more complicated, but it still looks that Russell is ready to bottom and to go up actually. So hopefully we will see it on Monday. But for now it's still not clear. The direction is absolutely unclear. There is a lot of bearishness, but it still looks that it should reverse pretty soon. And as for the option trades, I still have those same 15 companies in the Bullish Trade application as yesterday, and today we have on average 10 trades per each company. It's only the best ones, so let's see what do we have. I still think that we are kind of bottoming and we should go up probably, hopefully next week. So I would start with credit puts, and it's almost the same as yesterday, mostly Square, Nvidia, AMD, nothing really interesting, Tesla, AMD. Let's see the chart of AMD. I don't remember, what is it? How are they doing? Oh, they actually have earnings on Monday, I think. Yeah. Let's see them on Bullish Trade. AMD. It's the earnings date is not correct for some reason. The margin to return is 22. It's not really that good. Another one is 21, and the third AMD trade is also 22. It's not really interesting because we have earnings. There is too much risk, and having that small of a ratio of a return to margin is not really good. So nothing really interesting in credit puts. Credit calls: Shopify, Tesla, Nvidia, yeah, the same as yesterday. Really nothing interesting. Debit calls and puts, let's see if we could use them maybe as some kind of gambling. And nothing as well, just Tesla, literally just Tesla for calls and puts. Microsoft. I don't really think that Microsoft can go lower from here. Let's see, what is that? Microsoft. Yeah, I wouldn't try to make a bearish bet on them right now. Okay, long calls also, I treat them just as a gamble, so if I see something extremely cheap, I can play with it. Otherwise it will just sit there. The premium you will watch your premium decay. So Russell almost 2. Let's see, 1% of the price, the call price is 1% of the underlying, is not so good. I didn't check the VIX today. Let's see if we should expect everything to be cheaper. VIX is interesting, but it's actually lower than yesterday. Actually, yeah, it makes sense. I didn't check the graph much before the video, but yeah, the SPX is starting to, well, at least it doesn't go down, so yeah, the volatility is lower. So the prices are also, it's still, the volatility is not low enough to buy something, so all the long strategies are only if we have something really cheap, then it could be something, otherwise it's just a waste of money. Long garden butterflies, nothing interesting. Long straddles, it's too expensive for them. Long strangles, 10, 10, 17, oh, it's extremely expensive. Everything is just, yeah, it's just, even Qs are like 12 per strangle. It's almost 3.5% of the underlying. It's just too much. Nothing interesting here. Short iron counters. Again, NVIDIA, just NVIDIA and nothing else. Let's see the graph. And they also have earnings, so I wouldn't risk it. Probably the margin to return is, it's not even that high. So I was expecting it to be much higher before earnings, but it's not good. Nothing interesting. Short naked call, too risky. Naked put, hopefully we'll see something interesting there. Mara definitely not. They went up a lot lately, so I would expect them to go back at least to 8 probably. Shop, no. Square, yeah, nothing really interesting today. No trades, so yeah, we will not push it because the market is in a unclear state. You have no idea whether it will go down or it will go up from here. So I would wait until Monday and see what will happen after the weekend, because right now it just doesn't make sense to do anything. Nothing expensive to sell and nothing too cheap to buy. So yeah, this is it for today. Subscribe and everything, and see you on Monday.